Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark, back again with another video. And today, I'm going to be taking a look at some nice, comfortable, casual shoe wear, alright, from a company called TOMS, alright. You know, let me get a couple things out of the way. One, I'm not a professional shoe unboxer, alright. So one, I'm not an expert. Two, I just got a little tech and gadgets. And three, I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel, alright. Alright, get that out of the way. Because I know a lot of people are like, man, what kind of video is it? How you reviewing those shoes? Man, look, I'm not a professional shoe unboxer or reviewer. I'm just, you know, regular consumer. Saw something nice, thought, you guys want to share with you guys so you guys and girls can see how they look. Alright. These are some TOMS. Now, I had never had, this is my first pair of TOMS. I just saw them, they look pretty cool, and it's getting to be springtime, and we're crossing into the summertime. You want some nice and casual and cool, you wear it to the beach or just walking out casual. So I say, hey, and then you want something like, you just want to slip on real quick to go to the store, without having to lace everything up. I say, all right, let me check these out. So these are the TOMS. Let me see, what's the name of these bad boys? Let's see. Well, first of all, it says 1/3 of the profits go. What is it? 1/3 of profits, grassroots good. I guess they go to grassroots good. That's what's on the box. All right. Let's see what the. These are the TOMS Baja Oxford Tan Canvas Camo in a size 11.5, and the price on these, I think they were like $35. They don't even have it on the box, but anyway, I think they were like $30-something. So you can pause this and read it for yourself. So, all right, let me check these bad boys out. Let's open them up. See what we got. See here. Take out one. Take out two. Then that's in the box. I guess that's one way to tell if they're authentic, because they got a little TOMS sticker sewed in or whatever this is on here. Then micro packed. I don't know what it is, but anyway, let's get this box out of the way. Check out the shoes. Man, these are pretty cool. Man, these look long. I mean, 11.5. Man, these look like these might be like 14 or 15. But man, they look nice. When I saw them, I saw that camo on it. That's what got me. That camo. I was like, oh, hey, this pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Cause I like that camo action right there. Pretty good. That's what got me in it. And the tan, tan can go with pretty much anything. The tan color sometimes nice, khaki color, can go with anything. But then, you got this camo, so you got to coordinate. How our boy said, coordinate. You got to coordinate, all right? But yeah, these look pretty cool. Look at the bottom, nothing special, just a little grip on there. You ain't finna, have a lot of traction on some of these, but these are pretty cool. Got the camo print all the way around. That's too cool right there. And then one of the good things about these bad boys, slip on. No shoestrings. I know y'all young bucks like stuff with shoestrings, but sometimes, you want a little casual look, that grown-up look or something, you just want to, you don't want to be like, spend your day tying those shoes up. You just want to slip them on. Like, say you want to run to the store real quick, grab some whatever, some bread or something like that, or a jug of milk. You just want to slip on some shoes real quick and have a little style while you're doing it. This right here, just slip on and put them on. Oh man, let me take this out of here. Inside, you got camo on the inside. Talk about coordinate. You got camo on the inside. What? Camo, and the soles come out. The soles come out. So if you want to replace these with some nice softer soles, Dr. Scholl's or whatever, if you want some, some like memory foam type stuff, you can with some boost or whatever. You can put them in there, so that's pretty cool. And I think I'll be doing that, probably replacing them with something like that, you know. But let's take a look at the shoe. Man, it's pretty nice, pretty nice. Got I think just little tags, a little tag or something right here. That's pretty cool. Like I said, these are my first pair of TOMS. Got the little holes right here, little hole action. All right. Just you know, just a casual shoe. And I thought it was cool. Same with the other one. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Like I said, that tan and that camo, man, the camo is what set this off. I'm telling you, that's what got me, is the camo. That camo just really set it off. And then that like I said, the khaki, man, khaki goes pretty much anything. But you know, like I said, but just camo, you gotta kind of coordinate though. But other than that, man, it's pretty cool. Got your little Tom logo on the bottom. All right, pretty cool and nice and light. You know, it's like a little canvas-like type material. So, you know, make sure you got you some of them no-show socks. Or hey, if you like wearing them without socks, hey, do what you do. When you get them, they're yours. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll probably get some of them no-show socks to rock with these bad boys. You know, get some nice khaki shorts or something, and a little bit of camo print shirt or something. Be pretty cool. I don't know. You know, I'll see when I put them on. But anyway, let me stop rambling. Like I say, I'm not a professional shoe unboxer. I'm just a guy that loves tech and gadgets and showcasing new stuff that I get right here on the channel. You know what I'm saying? I saw these and I said, man, look, I gotta put these on the channel. These look pretty cool. Like I said, you know, I caught them at a sale price, and I think they were like, you know, under $40. They were like 35 or something like that. And I had some kind of other coupon, so I was like, hey, let me check these bad boys out. So yeah, I'm adding to my little shoe collection for the summertime. So get ready, it's gonna get hot and everything. You know, want to run around real quick. Don't want to be taking time to tie up no shoes. You got to run to the store real quick. Bam, just slide them on in. You good to go. Yep. All right. If you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend. It helps the channel, and I appreciate everybody who subscribed to this channel, and I appreciate you guys and girls that haven't subscribed to the channel. I thank you for just watching the video. Like I said, just a little quick little showcase of some nice looking casual shoes, some TOMS. You know, who knew that Mark be wearing some TOMS? Anyway, but yeah, like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Like I say, oh yeah, new merch. Go down there in the description box and check out some of the new merch. Let's see here. Message for the day. Oh, I got it. Always be appreciative of what you have, and stay humble. You know, when you get things, when you have things, you know, even if it's a small thing like I don't know, somebody give you a flower or some, or you know, give you a cup of water. Just be appreciative and thank you. You know, because you know, being appreciative goes a long way, and being humble goes a long way. So, you know, practice being appreciative, appreciate what you have, and practice being appreciative. You know, so you know, be humble. You know, because you know, be thankful for the small stuff. Because when the big stuff comes, bam, you don't know how to act. You just be so overjoyed. So yeah, practice being humble and appreciate things you have. All right. This has been your boy. That's been the message for the day. This has been your boy Mark, Fluid Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.